Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, sir. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. You know, see, welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it go to the platform. You know, see, now, you see, the one you concern every Jamaican, both home and abroad. See, we're going to observe some things, you know, in the comment section. I want you to hear them through an honest opinion. Because this now have nothing to do with party affiliation, you know. That channel there. Now have nothing to do with that. You know, see, when a business who the guy is, from your right, you're right. You know, see, if you're wrong, you're wrong. You know, see, yeah, right now where I come from, you know, just PNP more than anything else. The party itself, the politics. Because the loyalty, no foundation, no groove, no grounding, no dead. You see, oh the man, PNP is not a party where dealing capitalists. In a PNP, real PNP now, if man like when name ya Bunting and Golden is of the reputation where the elements of them can't represent PNP party up front. You know, see, them have to stay in the shadows regardless. Or them like it, you know, you have some people where you deal with anyway. If them would have been one of them people where PNP would have to hide and deal with. You know, see, based on them character and them where them come from to know. So it's not have nothing to do with them sort of thing there. You know, see. But what we want to observe for the whole of we know as Jamaican is electricity in Jamaica. You know, see. Electricity in Jamaica. And where it go? We don't want to observe no owner and know nobody name for call nobody name. But if you observe the history of electricity, particularly recent history in electricity, you have to wonder what really is going on. You see, like we said, a company come to Jamaica, a Japanese company and some other people buy up the GPS, and when them buy GPS, them in a debt, seeing and within a year or two, them make something like 800 million US off of Jamaica and put back themselves in the green in terms of debt. Think them sell back the company to another prospective debt person and move on. Again, going back in the natural world rich. You know, see, it's like electricity in Jamaica, one of the biggest cash scam for poor people. You know, see, we don't see no, like governmental representative or observation or effort in making it more economical for Jamaica people. You know, see, because even if we never observe the profiteering from it as a national before, yeah, we must have seen when the Japanese come and buy it and make so much millions off of it and gone about them business and try have an input in the ownership or how this thing operate. You know, see, we can't full standard because again, we are progressive thinkers and we are not idiot. You know, see, and we are struggle and economics should be priority in terms of our development. And if we have a thing like that, we can leak so much cash to any outside entity and sources. It don't make sense. You know, see, and these people coming out our struggling economy, that's where it's like no real consideration that they're for common people. You know, see, because these are the ones who are struggling mainly in terms of poverty and resource. You know, see, and them are get affected by them billion mainly. You know, see, and in Jamaica are one of the highest electricity bill across the world. I think Jamaica the 6th or something like that. You know, everything we always a record, we always a set. And them thing there. You know, see it. So we can understand our energy minister and them sort of people that like, put more imagination in our outfit, you know, help make things better. You know, see it in terms of economics, Rasta. You see, Japan not supposed to come. Rich country like them, they're not supposed to come at Jamaica, come make no profit off of Jamaica and go back morally balance and just gone back and just, I mean, where you need, where you have to come suck from where we have, where you could have won. You see, if you have any friend whatsoever, tell us what you see we're lacking, help us with it and make us fix it. And so that we can grow to a competitive standpoint where we can relate in terms of economics. I don't know why you come and scavenge off of it and suck out what we have and gone with it. See, anyway, it's a world and a business and things like that. And Japanese and teach you a lesson. Learn from it. You see, and do it for yourself. How comes, who are fighting against if we want own JPS, in Jamaica Public Service Company? It already named it was what it was before it. You know, see, nothing wrong with it being nationally owned. If it benefit the people more, if you can have documented record of a Japanese, big international economy like that, come in our place and suck out that out of it. And come on, it's not rocket science. You know, see, nobody can deny you that, Rasta. Come on, bro, God. You know, see, time is still not too late. See, to make them moves there. You know, see, I mean, I'll show you the reason why me feel like the whole I want to know and still not intend to do nothing about it. Because, again, poor people nah ball. Watch ya. Wind turbine and green energy, solar energy and things like that. It's far cheaper than the fossil fuel electricity where it a use right here now. See, because in the long game business, you know, see, when you dip in your pocket and spend $1 million on solar energy or wind turbine energy and things like that, yeah, you find say within 5 years you pay back that and make back like 5 times away you spend. See? And you just continue making profit because the basic supplies them and them little thing they were for. It's just, see? No, Jamaica not a problem with wind. Jamaica not a problem with sunshine. And them sort of something there. So we can't understand how our government try to invest in them things. Is it a fact so well then them have to leave it open for them big business, them big business interests, friend them from abroad, because you have to left space for investors come invest. Why? Because again, when investors invest, it's like government get for them personal benefits and backhand and things like that. So it no matter what local people or common people go through, as long as them I get for them lobby fee, something for them for the lobbyists, them bribe them for. So you know. Hence the reason why nobody now focusing on them type of energy. See, the government now seek to capitalize on it and make poor people benefit from it. Why? When the big industry them come in now, like me and so one day somewhere in the countryside, I think St. Elizabeth or somewhere like that, where them put up some wind turbine. See, now one of them wind turbine there, you know, can serve 5,000 houses. You know, see, I wonder if them guys have shares in a JPS and I use this free energy basically. You know, see, essentially, in terms per quarter where it costs to run it off of fossil fuel, so it can basically see it as free. That is how vast a percentage it would be cut for poor people use electricity at Jamaica if them use wind turbine or solar power. You know, see. But that cash cow they are going to cut off the prospective investor who want to come in on the island and pay corrupt politician to allow them to exploit us. So more and more and more. You know, see? So what is beneficial to us? Our politicians them now see it feasible for investing nationally. You know, see, now a guy, any unscrupulous guy can come harness this free energy and sell it back to Jamaicans like so well then. A fossil fuel energy at the rate. If it not happen already, you know. If it not happen already in Jamaica. Why wouldn't it? You see, why wouldn't it? Chinese, them smart like that, you know. Them catch on, them love easy, them, you know, see it. You know, see it. Why wouldn't they have a shares? Or why wouldn't if a common man supposed to can do it, you know, that's supposed to be a legal business where smart people supposed to can do. You know, see it. Now what if we now as a diaspora people see should I chip in some money like I say a $5 a week for 2 years. See? We start a group program. We use big bank, internationally recognized bank and things like that. You know, just like you sell subscription by a channel where people buy membership and things like that. Buy membership said come out of your bank account automatically for 2 years. See? As a diaspora people, 7 million of us does that. See? And we now use that money and buy back some of them industry. See? That would be a big deal in a Rasta. If we I say, we not buy back my industry. We start our own then. Yeah? We go some up and buy up some wind turbine equipment and some solar panel equipment and things like that. You know, see? And we set them up. Because I'm saying one wind turbine, you know, we do all 5,000 hours. You can imagine all 5 wind turbine on the front page of Warieka with the big breeze from the Caribbean Sea 24/7. I come on that. You know, see, I even on the same side of Warieka. You have some beautifully designed, patterned solar panel position and things like that on all the hillside there. And you know, see, Blue Mountain side. Big piece of St. Thomas Mountain. Warieka hillside there where I catch the sunlight 100%. You know, see, and sell back at an economical rate this electricity to itself. Now, which government in himself now could have challenged that and say, no, you can't do it, we not allow it for you. Within 2 years, you know, people, in my lifetime, you know, we as a group, you know, we sit down here so I do it, tick, and wanna, we as a group can start a formidable business where politicians in Jamaica have to stop and look back, you know. And at the way them now run the thing, you know, we have more power than even the PSOJ, you know. We as a group, you know, so we inactive, really and truly. We as a group inactive. You know, see. Yeah, the diaspora people, all we do are just wait till politics time come, election time come, we run a fanfare run a guy as like ordinary Jamaican, while we live in a societies where more evolved and more politically adept and things like that, and we are going like we ourselves to criticize Jamaica and we not learn nothing ourselves. You know, see, cause really and truly, you know, as a serious initiative that something we need to be pursued. You know, see, right? You know, all one rich Jamaican among us good at grab it from here so and run, go deal with it and make some money. You know, don't mind still, you know, cause as long as it make the people them more economically viable Rasta, financially, you know. We not mind. You see, because I just love and respect same way we can't die with it. You see, but yeah. You see, if some guy not already down there do it, and this initiative that expose enough of them things, whereas if we buck up on any resistance from any government whatsoever, I would know say, yeah, you have some big boy at play now where good at do this already and I benefit from it and I kill with. And no politician them they play the same game. Could I expose and a whole heap of thing, you know? But we are hope say it not come to that. We are hope say we are allowed the privilege. You know, see it a free thinking and free action or we can, you know, develop this initiative for the vast majority of Jamaican people. You know, see, can benefit. People, we can overlook the fact say other people think about this long time and has already applied it illegally, no doubt, to the pricing, according to the pricing energy in Jamaica, right? You know. You know, see it, and we have to observe and explore them things some more, because you cannot go on right under our nose. I started the other day, we see a proper gas cylinder refilling site set up, well equipped, professionally, you know what I say? And things like that. So we can, it's, I want to think it's far simpler. Me know say it's far simpler to set up one of them little solar thing there. See? I me set up my backyard there so full of the solar thing there. See, when me done, me is supposed to can supply at least 6 hours, sell them electricity. In a Britain, an individual can buy wind turbine and set it up on them property. It depends on where you live. Still, obviously, I'm most likely the man them will living on a farm area there. Set up them wind turbine on them property and collect them own electricity. Now, them people you know, alright, now what happened? This is a fact, See, what happens is that them people you know have reserve electric where them collect, because that wind turbine collect more than where them consume. So them end up now sell back that electricity to the grid, to the national grid. You know, see. So me don't know how them law there and them level of where they call it there. You know? Yeah, exists. And we can observe them in our own regards when our country is far more struggling than them people here. We have them rational here when it comes on to, you know what I say, certain things. You know, them encourage it. You know, see, yeah, them encourage them initiative here. So we shouldn't have any problem. Come on, diaspora people. You know, see, this is something where we need to address fast. It's a $5 a week. $10 would have been before you long, within a year. Bank a queue up for lend we the balance of what we need. And for invest in our thing. As so them thing they got. It's up to we now for know say we are use our own initiative that's we know own about because we know what debt do. And we know we're owing them people when them people are, you know, see, people are come with offerings in the Rasta. Maybe, you know, see, you have to wonder. Yeah, so, that's why them in general, and it might sound, I don't know it might sound simple or sound, I don't know it sound to the item, but I know it's a very serious argument. And it's something we need to be observed and look into. Again, we can't just sit one side and complain while we ourselves can attempt some things somewhat, and me not see no way how if we should attempt to form a diaspora group, financial group like that. If there's no feeling, as a matter of fact, you know, see it, and if we think according to it is, yeah, it will work. I don't see how it won't. You know, see it. So, yeah, Rasta, we give thanks, you know. And we can explore it some more and look into it some more and iron it out some more. It's just, you know, its beginning process. So, Brother Nerville, Mark Springer, Jabi, Rastafari, Martafari, A1 Shine, Brother Kojo Mombola, you know, Sister Serena, seeing, Sister Tanya, Sister Michelle, seeing, Puchilai, yeah, one year, want to think about this, Rasta, and put in the ideas them too. Make which part might not be possible, where we make it possible. It's, it's not impossible, Rasta. It's not impossible. So we give thanks. Make we inject some nanny morals and patriotism. Not the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.